Welcome to English and English, where you learn English through simple, meaningful stories.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English and English. I'm Cindy. Zach, how was your weekend?
It was okay. It rained for 2 days, so I didn't really get a chance to go outside. I stayed home and spent some quality time with my family. We watched movies together and played board games.
That sounds really nice. Spending quality time with family is always great. What movie did you watch?
We watched the funny comedy Happy Gilmore 2. Everyone was laughing the whole time. It was really relaxing.
That's wonderful. Laughing together is the best way to spend the weekend. So, Zach, do you know what today's topic is?
Not yet, Cindy. What is it?
Today, we are going to learn English for visiting the doctor's office. We'll follow a story about Timothy, who was going to the doctor for a checkup. Are you ready? Let's begin our story.
Hello, my name is Timothy. Yesterday morning, I felt itchy all over my skin. My skin was red and I had a burning sensation. I was sneezing a lot and my nose kept running. I decided to go to the doctor because I was worried. When I arrived at the doctor's office, I went to the reception desk. A friendly woman sat there.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. I have an appointment with Dr. Smith at 11:30.
Sure. Can I have your full name and date of birth, please?
My name is Timothy Brown, and my date of birth is March 5th, 2004.
Thank you. Is this your first visit with Dr. Smith?
Yes, it's my first visit.
Do you have your insurance card with you?
Yes, here it is.
Great. Please fill out this form and take a seat. The doctor will see you shortly.
Thank you. I filled in the form and waited in the seating area. After a few minutes, the nurse called my name.
Timothy, please come with me.
Okay. I followed her to the doctor's office. The doctor was friendly and smiling.
Hello, Timothy. What seems to be the problem?
Hello, doctor. I have red rashes on my body, and my skin is itchy and burning. I'm also sneezing a lot, and my nose keeps running.
I see. How long have you had these symptoms?
About 5 days.
Have you tried any medicine so far?
Just over-the-counter allergy pills. They help a little, but the symptoms come back.
I understand. We will prescribe some medication for you. If it doesn't work, you may need to see a specialist. Also, if your symptoms get worse, like severe rash, swelling, or difficulty breathing, you must go to the emergency room immediately. We may also do an allergy test to find out the exact cause. For now, we will run a few tests to check what might be triggering your reaction.
Okay, thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Take care, Timothy.
I will. Bye.
All right, Zach. Let's review some useful words and phrases from Timothy's visit. I'll say the words slowly. Repeat after me. Reception desk. The place where you check in at the doctor's office. Example: please go to the reception desk to check in. Appointment. A scheduled visit with a doctor. Example: I have an appointment with Dr. Smith at 3 p.m. Itchy. When your skin feels like you want to scratch it. Example: my skin is very itchy after playing outside. Burning sensation. A feeling of heat or irritation on the skin. Example: I feel a burning sensation on my arm. Over-the-counter medicine. Medicine you can buy without a prescription. Example: I took over-the-counter allergy pills. Come and go. When symptoms appear sometimes and disappear sometimes. Example: my headache comes and goes. Specialist. A doctor who focuses on a specific health problem. Example: you may need to see a skin specialist. Emergency room. A hospital room for urgent medical care. Example: go to the emergency room if you have trouble breathing. So, Zach, that's how a typical doctor's visit sounds in English. These phrases are super useful, especially when you need to explain your symptoms clearly.
Thanks, Indy. This was really helpful.
That's all for today's lesson. Thank you so much for watching English and English.
Don't forget to practice these phrases at home. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become.
Yes, and if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to get notifications for our new lessons.
See you in the next video.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing and have a great day.